In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts on Hootsuite, providing you with a complete 2025 tutorial. Let's get started by navigating to the Hootsuite website. Head over to hootsuite.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, ensure that all your social media accounts are connected. This includes platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and any others you might use. Having your accounts connected is crucial for seamless post scheduling and management. Next, let's access the Post Composer. On your Hootsuite dashboard, you'll find either a Create Post or New Post button located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it. After this, you'll need to select the social media accounts where you'd like to share your post. You can choose one or multiple accounts depending on your needs. Now it's time to add your content. Begin by composing your post text. This could be a caption, a message, or any updates you want to convey. Remember to make it engaging and relevant to your audience. You can enhance your post by adding media such as images, videos, or GIFs. Don't forget to include any necessary hashtags, mentions, or links to boost your post's reach and engagement. With your content ready, the next step is to choose the date and time for your post to go live. Click on the Schedule for Later option. You'll then be prompted to select a specific date and time. It's a good idea to set this to align with your audience's peak engagement hours to maximize your reach. Before finalizing your schedule, take a moment to preview your post. This helps you see how the content will appear on each social media platform. During this review, double-check that all links, mentions, and hashtags are accurate and functioning as intended. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to schedule your post. Simply hit the Schedule button to confirm your selection. Your scheduled post will now appear in the Publisher section under Scheduled Posts. Lastly, it's important to know how to manage your scheduled posts. Navigate to Publisher and then the Scheduled Posts section to view all your upcoming content. Here you have the flexibility to edit, reschedule, or delete posts on an individual basis. If you're looking to plan multiple posts at once, you can take advantage of bulk scheduling through a CSV upload, which is a handy tool for managing larger content calendars efficiently. And that's it for today's tutorial. Whether you're scheduling a single post or planning a month's worth of content, this guide should help you navigate Hootsuite with ease. Thank you for watching and happy